Lately it's been the first 5, the first 3. As you can see, literally I uploaded my video and not even 2 hours later, I'm already in the number 3 results under my sis Abby Nicole. So it just goes to show, when you really save your video with so much metadata in a certain type of way, you could really like get your videos to land on the first page, the first 3 results. You know what I'm saying? The girl with the guy's name, gang towards you, baby. Don't forget, Secret SEO. Bam. Just uploaded my video 26 minutes ago. And I'm already 1, 2, 3, 4. Told y'all. Girl mastered SEO, you know what I'm saying? Goodie, y'all. It's the girl with the guy's name, gang. You know what I'm saying? And I am back with another video. What's good, y'all? What's the vibe? Nice things. I'm back with another video. So, as y'all can see in the title, so first of all, I just want to say, I want to shout out all of the new YouTubers, all of the new content creators that got the courage to hop on YouTube, because it is not easy, especially when you are new and when you're trying to just figure things out. Shout out to my sis, my hermanita, my sister from another mister. We go all the way back. Hawa, Gabi. Make sure that you follow her channel. Her channel is all about fashion, lifestyle, and fitness, and she actually inspired me to do this video because she recently just launched her YouTube channel, I would say probably 30 days ago, and her channel is booming already. Like, I love it. I'm so proud of you, sis. She inspired me to do this video because she actually reached out to me and she asked me about SEO, and we was conversating via Facebook Messenger. So I felt like I couldn't really explain to her in depth SEO, and for somebody who is new to YouTube, I feel like visually seeing how to optimize your videos is better than me trying to really break it down via text, via message. So I promised her that I would make a video about it, basically giving you guys my secret SEO sauce, because I don't want to hide no information from y'all, because it took me a minute to figure this out. I actually was playing around with SEO, I would say since 2016, when I started to try to take my channel serious. And then 2017 or whatever, around 2016, 2017, I started playing around with it, and I'm just like, oh my gosh, like, I figured it out. And since then, I'm just getting better. I've gotten better and better. And literally every time I upload a video, you guys, I intentionally make my videos pop up as in the Google YouTube search result between number 1 and number 10. Now, as of lately, I've been popping up as number 3, number 4, number 5. I've had 2 videos pop up as number 1, which I'll demonstrate and show you guys. But pretty much, I'm just gonna be walking you through the process of how I basically get my videos to land within the first 1 to 10 results in the YouTube search, literally right after you upload your video. This is my secret SEO sauce. This is how you optimize your channel. This is how you optimize your videos. And this is my secret SEO sauce. So let's get right into it. Just so you guys know, for those of you who have been asking, my vanity mirror pocket camera video ring lights will be available very soon. For those of you who have been following me, you know that I've launched my challenge, which is launch your business in 30 days. Because I really want to demonstrate, motivate, and inspire you guys that you can do it too on a budget using just your pocket camera. So I'm using my handy dandy ring light right now, and just to show you guys the difference, as you can see, this is how it looks when it's off right now, but I want a little bit of pop. So you can adjust the brighting on my vanity pocket camera ring light, and you can also adjust the temperature, as you can see. These steps that I'm about to show y'all is so easy. Y'all probably gonna be like, why didn't I figure this out before? Basically, I came up with my secret SEO sauce through trial and error and experimenting, And yeah, I'm just excited to share this with you guys because I really want you guys to blow up. I want y'all channels to be lit. I want y'all to know what I know. And yeah, I just want to share this with you guys. But like I said, this is inspired for my really close friend, and I'm so proud of her. She sent me a screenshot where she ended up being like number 3. Sis, I'm so proud of you, sis. All right, so I'm gonna walk you guys step by step. When you are shooting a video just like this, you're shooting a video, blah blah blah, doing whatever, bang, right? You finish doing your video. When you stop that video, so usually when I upload my videos, since I sell all of my equipment to further demonstrate to my boo-boo kitties that y'all can literally run an entire business, an entire channel off of your pocket camera. As her pocket camera coach, I have to be a demonstration and show you guys, you know, I can't just talk, I gotta show you guys, you know. After I'm finished recording my video, I airdrop all of my video files to my MacBook Pro. Once my video files are on my desktop, I save each and every video file as the name of my title. Now, I personally use vidIQ, and I also personally use Keywords Everywhere. Keywords Everywhere is basically a tool that helps you to find the exact keywords of what people are searching. What I love about this tool is that literally I can type in how to make a vanity mirror at home. But when you use Keywords Everywhere, it'll break down the exact keywords and searches that people are searching every month. This way, your video will be optimized when you use these keywords. So you can type up how to make bread, but using Keywords Everywhere, it'll kind of be more specific. How to make sourdough with 3 ingredients. Like, it'll literally break down the exact keywords of what people are looking for, because you want to make a video that provides a solution, but you do need those keywords to optimize your video. Now, using Keywords Everywhere, I basically figure out my title using keywords, and literally I save every single video file as that YouTube title that I'm going to use with those keywords that I already researched. I always recommend researching before you record because it is very essential. So once I do that, I save every video file as my YouTube title with those keywords. I import it into Final Cut Pro or iMovie or whatever software that you're going to use to edit. And yo, I can't do this. I give it to strippers because I can't do this. I import all of my videos that I've saved with those specific keywords with the YouTube titles I'm going to use. I import that into the software that I'm going to use to edit. I use Final Cut Pro X. So I import that into my video. Now, here is a very imperative, crucial part of how I optimize my videos to land 1 to 5 results, 1 to 10 results. Lately, 3, 4, 5. Number 3, 4, 5 in my YouTube search results right after I upload. And yes, I have to clap for this because it's that serious, sis. You import your files into the software that you're going to edit. Now, say if you want to use an arrow PNG, or you want to use a social media icon in your video, or if you want to use a picture in your video, whatever you add to your video, save the original file as the YouTube title. Literally what you did with your video files, you're going to do with every single thing that you're using in that video. If I want to use a picture of a flower in my video, I save that as the exact YouTube title with the keywords. If I want to use the blooper screen that I showed you guys how to download, if you haven't seen that video, the link is right here. If you want to use the blooper screen that popular YouTubers use, and you download that or whatever to your desktop, and you want to drag that into your software that you're editing for your video, save that file as the YouTube title. So what you're doing is that you're creating metadata where YouTube will pick that up because you have these keywords saved, and this will optimize your channel. So no matter what you put in your video, whether it's pictures, whether it's a social media icon, whether it's an arrow, whether it's a sound effect, whether it's a track, like even if you add music to your video, like if I drag and drop a video, a song that I want to add to my video, I rename that soundtrack as my YouTube title with those keywords. And that's all I do, y'all. Literally all I do. Also, using vidIQ, I use vidIQ to find keywords and tags and video tags. So basically, your tags is another great way to optimize your channel. I never leave my tags unopened. Literally, I take my YouTube title and I rephrase it a number of times using those keywords that I found from Keywords Everywhere, and I literally put that in my tag. So if my video is how to make sourdough bread, I'm gonna type in my tags, how to make sourdough bread, enter. How to make sourdough bread in 3 minutes, enter. How to make sourdough bread from scratch, enter. How to make, literally I'll just type up my title in different variations, but stick to those keywords and just rephrase it, because not everyone is gonna type in what they are looking for the exact same way. So you just basically rephrase your title in different ways in the tags, in the video tags. Another thing that I do is in my description box, I use those keywords as many times as I can, basically repeating myself but without using the same verbiage, if that makes sense. And literally, you guys, literally that's all I do. And literally every single time I upload, within the first 60 minutes, I'm already number 3, number 4, number 5. And what you want to do, which is a key component too, when you're optimizing your channel, you always want to make sure that you promote yourself OD. On every platform, you make sure that you promote yourself OD, okay? So that's pretty much what I do. And now y'all know. And yeah, literally, you guys, that's like the steps that I do, and it literally lands me the top results, literally. Also, you guys, I want to make sure that I'm providing y'all with some heated content. I got content coming to y'all back to back to back to back to back to take back to back to back to back to oh whoa. So yeah, so give me a thumbs up if you found this helpful. Oh, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. I got distracted because a client was writing to me. And make sure that you subscribe to a girl's channel. You know what I'm saying? Make sure that you subscribe to my channel, okay? Make sure, because I really am serious about you guys. I'm really serious about, you know, really giving you guys what you want, giving you guys what you need, you know? Giving you guys what you need is very important. But yes, I really hope that you guys found this video helpful, and I hope to see you guys in my next videos. Bye, little kitties. Bye.